Ever wondered how a simple command transforms into an action on your computer screen? Or how does Alexa or Siri understand your instructions and respond accordingly? Well, the answer to all these fascinating queries is computer science. Imagine you're an explorer, setting sail on the vast ocean of knowledge that is computer science. This voyage will take you through the various islands that make up this immense sea. Each island is a field within computer science, unique and rich with its own set of principles and problems. First up on our journey, we encounter the island of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's an island buzzing with activity, where machines learn to think like us, humans. They analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions, all with minimal human intervention. The inhabitants of this island are always busy, creating machines that can translate languages, recognize speech, or even drive cars. Sailing further, we reach the island of cybersecurity. It's a fortress, a stronghold, standing tall against the waves of cyber threats. This realm is all about protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. Here, the knights in shining armor are the cybersecurity experts, constantly battling the malicious hackers and safeguarding our precious data. Next, we navigate to the island of software development. It's a bustling metropolis where intricate lines of code transform into software applications. The architects here are the software developers, meticulously designing, writing, testing, and maintaining the software that powers our digital world. Moving on, we approach the island of data science. It's a treasure trove, where raw data is polished into valuable insights. Data scientists here, like skilled jewelers, mine, process, and model data to uncover patterns and trends that can help businesses make informed decisions. As our voyage nears its end, we arrive at the island of quantum computing. It's a mystic land, where traditional rules of computing give way to the principles of quantum physics. Here, quantum bits or qubits can exist in multiple states at once, enabling them to perform many calculations simultaneously. So, as we dock back at our starting point, we can reflect on the vast expanse of computer science we've journeyed through. From the bustling island of artificial intelligence, the secure fortress of cybersecurity, the vibrant metropolis of software development, the treasure-laden shores of data science, to the mystic land of quantum computing. Each island, a unique realm, contributing to the ever-evolving world of computer science. And as we disembark, remember, this journey is far from over. The sea of computer science is vast and ever-changing. New islands are being discovered, and existing ones continue to grow and evolve. So keep your curiosity alive, for there's always more to explore in this intriguing world of computer science.